Alright guys, it's me. I've had a few problems with this and I was wondering if you can help me out. Basically this is the STS D30M engine and I'm trying to run it in. Well, I've been trying to run it in for a while now, unsuccessfully. Now the engine seems to run away with itself, seems to rev up all of a sudden and then die, or it'll just be going along fine, idling fine and then just die. But one thing I do notice when it does, the engine cuts out, is that the fuel line backs up. You can see all the bubbles going backwards and going back into the tank. So then every time I want to start it again, it needs priming. So I take off this pipe and blow down it to prime it again. But that happens every time it cuts out. So I was wondering if you can tell me why it's doing that, why it's running away and why it's blowing the fuel back into the tank when it cuts out. Everything seems fine and normal. So I'll try to give you an example now. I'll just quickly try and prime it. So that's that primed. So that was on no throttle at all. Fortunately the bubbles aren't going back round at the minute, so I should be able to start it one more time. Revving up and dropping down slightly, but it does get worse than that, and it'll completely rev itself out and smoke up. So, any ideas, you can let me know. To grab it and put the brake on then to stop that from over revving. I'm not touching the throttle. So, as you can see, pretty smoky. I don't know why it's doing it. I didn't touch the throttle or anything, I had to jam the brake on to stop that. Yeah. No, I don't see the throttle moving or anything. I can hear it. but physically it's not moving.